Do you find yourself trying to keep track of how much work your students have turned in or not turned in? One of the items here in Sheets that you can do is called the CountIf formula. So on your formula bar, you're going to click, after you click in your cell, the formula bar, you're going to do an equal sign. And then after which you are going to do CountIf, sorry, come on, CountIf. Okay, so as I click on it, it's going to show me what I should be doing. So it's helping me along the way. So I'm actually going to say, here's my range for this student in particular. So it's D4, D, fourth row, all the way to T, still in my fourth row. And then I'm going to comma, and then it's going to tell me what is my criterion. And because I use checkboxes in this instance, I'm going to do a quote and do true, and then end the parenthesis. And then it shows me that this student has done 3 of the work pieces to turn in. Then I'm going to use this wonderful tool with the crosshairs. I'm going to pull it down so the formula fills in and see how it's showing each student and what they have turned in. So that is the CountIf formula. And the other thing that you could do is use conditional formatting, and that's up next to have you show colors for alarming low turn-in scores.